Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Nor it is an apple to be picked up and eaten immediately by the ruling party. It has to be created and allowed to grow. We have all to contribute to this concept of autonomy. There is nothing like absolute autonomy. So, I think that this will have to be seen in relation to the rights of the people, how they are going to be benefited as a result of autonomy. I have no illusion that overnight the scene is going to change radically and immediately after the bill is adopted here. The downtrodden, the weaker sections, the women, the peasantry, the agricultural labor, the working class will begin to dominate the small screen. They will not. In a class divided society, those who rule the society will rule the media, or it may also be said that those who rule the media will also rule the society. There is no radical change. I know that the same elitist consumerism will continue, and half fed children of our country will continue to look at the Cadbury advertisements and other such advertisements quite dazed and stare at the colorful advertisements of Cadbury or other food products manufactured by the multinationals which they will never taste in life. I do not have such illusion that radical changes are going to take place tomorrow in the electronic media. But are we to allow unbridled power to the new Prasar Bharati board so that it can be controlled by proxy by the multinationals, by the monopoly houses? No, there must be some provision, some control, so that after it is converted into an autonomous corporation, the multinational corporations, the monopoly house cannot call the tune either from behind or from the corner. I think government funding is required for this. About second channel, we have moved some amendments. I do not know whether the government is going to accept them or not, but our feeling is that the government has been acting in a most democratic manner to achieve a national consensus on that. Let me now come to the speeches made by the honorable members from the Congress. I, Shri Sethi, was speaking like a pseudo sannyasi. Those who have committed the gravest crimes on democracy, who have tried to destroy all the democratic institutions, judiciary, parliament, constitution, CAG office, and everything. Those who have misused the media in the most disgraceful and are speaking irresponsible manner about real autonomy, genuine autonomy, and they are trying to describe this bill as a fraud. Stop. Thank you.